Hello and welcome back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get all the latest information from your favorite gadgets. And today we have brought Lenovo's amazing version out here for you guys. That is IdeaPad 100 Ultrabook out there. This version could be considered as an amazing one, or you can say this is a really interesting version because offering a great size, resolution, storage, capability, your battery, everything is really good in this version. So let us talk about this version briefly out now. And when we talk about this variant, then the key features or the very quick fractions, we can say that it has got a very good display of about 11.6 inches along with a resolution of 1366 into 769 resolution out here with no touch screen but a Celeron dual core processor along with 4 GB RAM and Windows 10 operating system with 500 GB hard disk as well as an Intel integrated HD graphics. So these were the very quick specifications. Now let us talk in detail about this variant. Popularly, this variant is known as Lenovo iPad 120s. Yes, this is also known as iPad 120s 11 iLab out there. Yes, this is popularly known as this kind of a version. But yes, it has an alternative name also, that is IdeaPad 100 Ultrabook. This is an alternative name for this variant. Talking about this version, we can say that it offers you a good resolution and a good screen size of approximately 11.6-inch screen size. So the screen size is quite good out here, offering a good screen size. Along with that, if you talk about this variant, then it is offering you a resolution capacity or the resolution in pixelation is approximately 1366. So that is really good, 1366 into 769 pixelation. When we talk about this pixelation, it does not mean that it has to be always the same resolution or the native resolution need to be same. No, it means this resolution is working very good with this kind of a screen size, this Windows out there. Now, when we talk about the Windows, we can see that it is operating on Windows 10 out here. Yes, you get to see Windows 10 out there. Along with that, you get to see that it offers you a weight which is about 1.27, that is approximately 1.3 kgs out there. Yes, the weight is not very heavy, so we can say that now the series have come up in a very amazing way that they are very thin series. If we talk about the thickness, then we can say that the thickness is approximately 20.9 mm, whereas the length and breadth are 288 mm into 200 mm. So we can say overall the thickness or the side look is quite, we can say, very sleek, or we can say sleeky out now, slim, like we have seen the evolution of phones also, smartphones out there. So this kind of evolution is seen out here. Talking about this variant, we can say that popularly or globally a different name has been given, whereas regionally it has different names out there. Apart from that, when we talk about this variant, we can say that it offers you a battery life of approximately 6 hours. Yes, 6 to 7 hours battery life is there. But the cell which is used in it, there are two battery cells, so its weight is quite less. Now, when we have this keyboard, we have the screen size, we have a good breadth. So we have a keyboard also. Now, when we have the keyboards, then you get to see that the keyboard have got all the functionalities. Along with it, you get to see a multi-touch mouse control also. Yes, multi-touch mouse control can also be seen out here. It might not be possible to have a touch screen out there, touch screen display, but yes, definitely a mouse control, multi-touch mouse control is there. A very different processing system is being used out. Yes, a different processor is being used out, that is Intel Celeron dual core out there, which is being used in this variant. As well as when we talk about the speed, then we can see that the base clock speed or the base processing speed is approximately 1.1 gigahertz, which is quite good. Yes, this can be considered as a quite good variant. As well as the cache memory is of 2 mega mbs, 2 megabytes out there. So this is overall a good version out. And when we talk about this processing and everything, this is really great out there because working with Windows 10, we need a good processor out there. Now let us talk about the storage and the memory. So you get to have a slot of one RAM, which is of 4 GB. Yes, you get to have a 4 GB RAM inbuilt in it, and as well as a slot. So expandability is there, which is approximately 8 GB expandability. So expandability is quite good. Since there is a good expandability, there is good processing. So we also need a good graphical processor out there. Graphical point need to be very good. Talking about the graphical point, we have got Intel integrated HD graphics out there. Yes, it has got Intel integrated HD graphics, which offers great graphical point as well as the great output out there. Offering you a hard disk storage of approximately 500 GB. It is very good out there. Yes, it offers you 500 GB hard disk storage out there, and Bluetooth variants are seen approximately four. Yes, four Bluetooth, not four different Bluetooth. Yes, Bluetooth 4 is seen out here. Good Wi-Fi connectivity. You get to see jack system out there for audio jack out there, audio input output jack, that is three handset jack, or you can see microphone jack. Inbuilt microphones could be seen out here. You get to see USB typing out there, power jacks out there. You get to see all kind of a jack system. Apart from that, webcam is approximately 0.3 megapixel, offering you a very good type of webcam. Apart from that, you also need to see two speakers, which are stereo type speakers out here, offering you a good type of audio quality. Definitely, these are the things which are really important and very necessary for every gadget out there. Talking about this gadget, we also need to have a good pricing for this variant. So let us talk about the pricing also. Talking about the pricing or talking about the rate of this gadget, we have come up to a site. The site name is justatclick.com. Yes, this is a site that is justatclick.com, offering you a great pricing. As well as when we talk about this pricing, we can say that this search icon helps you to search your favorite gadgets at a very affordable or a very limited rates out there. Yes, just have to type out our gadgets, that's it. So this is the result for our search, and when we check the result, you get to see that there's a small description box out here. You get to see a small description box. Apart from that, you also get to see that there is a category which is named as product type category, and that is refurbished. So let us talk about this category also. Talking about refurbished products, we can say that refurbished products and brand new products are quite similar out here. Yes, when we say refurbished, the word itself means that it is something brand new. Like, yes, it clearly states that it means something brand new. Like, whereas brand new is always a brand new that is absolutely new out here, which is for the very first time released out. So we can say that refurbished products and brand new products are quite similar out here. Whereas when we talk about the functionality, if we talk about structurality, whether they are similar or not, yes, they are also similar. They are actually same, we can say. They are actually same out here. But definitely there is a difference out here. Brand new products are actually untouched, or we again say for the very first time released out in the market. Whereas refurbished, if you talk about the word refurbished, then they are actually pre-owned gadgets or any pre-owned device or anything which has been pre-owned. Refurbished means that which is once pre-owned. Every brand new product, uh, we cannot say that brand new products are always refurbished, because sometimes it happens that they are not in the market out after a long period of time. But yes, every refurbished product was once a brand new. Yes, every refurbished product was once a brand new one. As well as when we talk about refurbished and brand new, their pathway is also quite same, and we can say that refurbished is an extension of brand new. How we say that? We know every pathway is followed by a systematic way, that is base, mediator, and consumer. We know that. But in brand new, if we talk about brand new products, then we can say that the brand new products are like base is the company. Yes, when we talk about the base, it is the company out here. Whereas mediator is the marketplace or the place from where company and the user interact out. So that is the marketplace or the mediator or the bridge, we can say. Apart from that, if we talk about the consumers, then you can say that consumers are nothing else but the users. Yes, we the users are the consumers out here. So this is what brand new is all about. Now the user have a gadget and it is being owned by that person. Now that person is tired or want to resell it, then the gadget, that pre-owned gadget actually is resold in the marketplace and it becomes refurbished. So here the base is the user who has the gadget inbuilt in it, the gadget in hand out there. So that is the user out here. Now reselling is it also take place in the marketplace also. Yes, it is taking place in the marketplace. It can be online sites, offline sites out there. Everything could be said out. Now once the gadget is in the marketplace and now the new user takes it out, then it is known as a refurbished gadget. Now what are the similarities? Now, what are the similarities out there? Matlab, when we talk about refurbished gadgets and brand new products, what are the similarities out there? The similarities lies in the structurality and the functionality purpose. Now, structurality, if we talk about structure, then we can say the design is actually same. Yes, the design is quite same out here. Whereas if we talk about the functions, then we can say that the functionality is also same. The work it used to do when it was released out, it does the same work out there. So this is what actually happens out. Now let us talk about the, we can say, tests out there or the structural functionalities out there. Then we can say that there are few parameters. Yes, there are parameters which defines the test or the gadgets testimoniality. Now these gadgets testimoniality are determined by the same test which were determining the brand new products. When we talk brand new products, then we can say that the brand new products and the refurbished product have the same test, whether it includes the external or the internal parameters. Talking about the external parameters, we can say the external parameters are like the design it has, the screen size, the display it uses, scratches out there, buttons out there, points or the ports out there which have been inbuilt in it. They, as well as all the other specifications which externally we can see whether the mouse control is working properly or not, multi-touch if it is having, then how is it working, the control panels are working properly or not out there, the external functional keys are working or not. So this is what external features includes out. Now once it has been checked, external functionality is checked, external design is checked out, everything is done, we come to the next procedure, next parameter, that is the internal parameters. Now these internal parameters are nothing else but the internal components which have to be tested, like you talk about the Intel processor or any kind of processor which is being inbuilt in it. Yes, it is not necessary that always every gadget will be having Intel processor only. So every processor which has been inbuilt in it, the operating system, if it uses any kind of operating system, then what kind of operating system it is using, is it working properly or not. Then after that, it comes out to be the another factor, that is the internal RAM, internal storage capacity, internal parts like connectivity is there or not, microphone is working or not out there. External ports we have talked about, so whether these ports are giving proper output or not. Like if you have a jack system, so whether the jack input and output is good or not, like audio input and output is good or not, camera quality is good or not, that has to also be checked out there. Whether the camera is working or not, that is the first main thing when it comes to camera. So internally every component has to be checked, which we check in battery life, how long it is working out and how long it need to be charged, the battery is working properly or not, everything has to be checked. So this is all about the internal and external parameters which need to be checked out. And once we check these parameters, then we can say, and they have crossed all the parameters, it is assured that the product quality is good, as well as it is ready to have a good service out there. So overall, we can say there is a quality check out here. That product has been refurbished, that product is renewed. Why renewed? If any part is not working properly, then it has to be replaced with the original parts, not any duplicate or the unknown parts. It has to be checked out and see the original part has to be replacing that particular origin part out there. As well as these internal parameters are not just checked out through normal testing. There are specialized equipments to check them, so you can be assured when it comes to testimoniality. Now, apart from that, if we talk about these products, then we can say there are actually premium quality goods out there inbuilt in it. So these are the same parameters which check out the brand new products. So refurbished and brand new have the same design, same functionality, same test. So overall, we can say they are quite similar, except the fact that brand new gadgets are actually first release out there, whereas refurbished are pre-owned gadgets. Now, talking about the benefits of these products, so let us talk about the benefits of having a refurbished product. So when we talk about benefits, the first point comes out to be the pocketable rates. Yes, the first point comes out to be the pocketable rate. Now, when we talk about pocketable rates, what does this pocketable rate mean? It means that the refurbished products or the pre-owned gadgets have come up with a rating which are not going to cost your pocket at all. Yes, the rates are going to be very cost effective. They are very effective out there. Whereas when we talk about the brand new products, they are slightly expensive. Yes, first time release are always expensive also, so you find that these are slightly expensive. But when we talk about the comparison, then yes, refurbished products are quite profitable, so you get to save also. That's this point two, and another benefit, that you get to save a good amount of savings. Now we can save a good amount of savings which we can use for next product out there. So this is the main reason why we say that refurbished products are really good. We already know that brand new products offer you 1 year warranty out there. But when we take any, or we own any pre-owned gadget, mostly we don't get any warranty period out here. But if you have a category out there refurbished, then you get to have a savings of 6 months. Yes, you can have a warranty period of 6 months also. Apart from that, you also get to have 70 exchange policy. So these are the two additional benefits of this site also, as well as this product. When we talk about refurbished gadgets, refurbished category out here, then you get to have 6 months warranty and 70 exchange policy also. So these are the benefits of having refurbished products over brand new. So let us talk about the website once again, so that we do not miss out anything. So this is the website we were talking about, and the website name was justatclick.com. Yes, we were talking about justatclick.com, where you get to have your favorite laptops, PCs, your favorite gadgets at a very reasonable rates out there. As well as it offers you COD. Yes, it offers you COD, as well as this site offers you some amazing things that are like free home delivery. Yes, you get to have free home delivery, money back guarantee, as well as a support system. Yes, you get to have a support system also. So these are the additional benefits of this site. You can also check out the search icon where you get to see your favorite gadgets, or you also get to have all brand laptops out here, which offers you a great brand products out there. So you can check out the website. For best deals, do visit out the website. Link has been given in the description, or you can go on Google and type just at click.com. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.